Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Colby, and on this episode of Today's Tech, we'll be looking at the Belkin BoostUp Wireless Charging Stand. Let's start this unboxing by opening the box. Inside the box, there's another box. Once we open up this box, you can see the wireless charging stand itself. And if we take that out of the box, inside there's also a power adapter that is used to plug it into the wall. So once we have the wireless charging stand and the power cord out of the box, we can remove this rubber band off the cord that's holding it all together, unravel it, and plug it into the back of the charging stand. Once you have the power cable plugged into the back of the wireless charging stand, you're now good to plug your AC adapter into the wall. One of my favorite features about this wireless charging stand is that you can charge your phone both vertically, and you can also charge it horizontally, which is great for watching content on YouTube. I especially like this wireless charging pad because it's vertical and allows you to use your phone while your phone is actually charging wirelessly. Another good feature about having this wireless charging is that you can also use a pair of headphones at the same time as you charge your phone. Alright guys, I hope this review was helpful, and subscribe down below if you want to see weekly tech videos.